The Kettp two-floor mechanical puzzle parking system is a top-tier solution for maximizing parking efficiency, blending vertical and horizontal movement to seamlessly park and retrieve vehicles. It features a basic module that spans 3 cars wide, and it can be easily expanded to meet the needs of different environments, including public parking lots, apartment basements, and administrative buildings. This system optimizes space without compromising functionality, making it perfect for areas where space is limited. The 2P system's robust design incorporates high-strength H-steel construction, providing exceptional stability and durability for long-term use. The system's motor and sliding mechanisms are engineered for smooth, efficient operation, ensuring a minimal failure rate. With a scientifically designed electrical system and self-locking features, it guarantees secure and reliable performance. A PLC auto control system streamlines operations and enhances control, while the intuitive press button or IC card parking method ensures ease of use. Additionally, the 2P system is adaptable for use in pit puzzle parking systems, ensuring versatility across different settings. With customizable finishes like powder coating or hot dip galvanizing, the system is both durable and aesthetically appealing, suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. Whether for residential complexes, commercial spaces, or high-traffic areas, the 2P two-floor mechanical puzzle parking system offers a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective solution for optimizing parking capacity in modern parking garage.